need a helicopter propeller or no? Like helicopter propellers, we need it on top of here or something else. His plane is cool, but my plane is gonna be cool of the end of the day. But first, let's play slow so we can hold the air. Also, we may need plasma booster. We need drive seats. We need to delete one. We need to delete one on the metal because that's where I'm sitting. There we go. Where's my block? Guys, where's my block? There we go. Who didn't tell me I have a lot of block? We can like build a million of these. Parabings, paraboots. Okay, I'm sorry, Missile, but we got to. Parabings, paraboots. Bunks, 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 bunks. Parabings, paraboots. Bunks, bunks, bunks. Guys, do you know of harassment? Harassment really means you said like bad word, like you suck. Come to my base, like that. But I wasn't planning to say it to you guys. I'm just teaching you. And how this works? This is like an airplane, right? Right? But okay, guys. I think my plane is about half done, or maybe no. Now let's put this below. I think we cannot put it back. The only way is this. Something else. Landing gears. What do we need? What do I actually need? I don't know what we need, guys. Yeah. I don't know what we need. First, let's go lunch for this. Okay? You see this problem? You see the problem? Guys, the problem is we don't have enough. We have 62 fuel. I think we're gonna do a plan here. We're gonna do a plan. Delete. Delete all these. First, we need to build our. No. we need block. Where is block? Where is block? We're supposed to build a block here. Para beans, para boom. Para beans, para boom. A block here. First, need to delete it. And then that wing. Ayun. There we go. And where's our wing? Yeah, I think we deleted our wing. So let's put our wing. Where should we put there? Here. There we go. And we need our fuel here. The back. We probably need to close that. Wait a second. There we go. There we go. Build, 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 build. Guys, you know I have voice chat. You guys all know from the start, right? Right? No? Wait. Just kidding, guys. There we go.
Sulap na ito.
Teka, kailangan ko i-put itong helicopter propeller. Helicopter propeller. Where's the fuel? Okay, we have a lot of...
Sulap na. Galing ko yung kakain ko pa panghalian. Ano ba yung pangalan niyan pala? Hindi ko ulit pero. Ay, kumakain. Ayun na rin yung mga basta natin sa pag kumain. Yung mga pakapit-kapit yan. Hindi ako
ikaw.